Fernande, a big win then for campaigners here. Tell us a bit more about what the court decided.
So yes, really a historic win. The court decided, first of all, that the Dutch court had a jurisdiction in this case. That was a first question. Shell had said that consumers were responsible for what they put out, and that countries where that was emitted were responsible. However, the court said that it could rule on this. Now, historically, they said that Shell will have to cut their emissions by 45% from the 2019 baseline. And they will have to do that in the next 10 years by 2030. So they really have to speed it up. Now, of course, this court can't say how they have to do that. They have to say that Shell has to do that themselves. But they do say that Shell has the right to set policy, and that policy has an impact on the environment, on the emission standards, and that has an impact on us all. So they put out an order on Shell today that they must reduce those emissions by 2030 by court order.
Yeah, good news then for environmental activists. What's been their reaction to this today?
So you could hear cheers outside the courtroom when this was announced. I just spoke to Friends of the Earth, who are the leading party in this suit, and they said they're incredibly happy. And actually, when I talked to them earlier today, they did not expect to win. They said markets were factoring in the fact that they would lose today. And so really, they are extremely pleased today, and they'll be speaking to the press shortly.
Fernande Van Tets for us there in Amsterdam. Thank you very much indeed